In today's show, $150,000 to $300,000 is what big firms are targeting for long-term Bitcoin predictions. We're going to be discussing this in today's show. Also, Bitcoin Bull Run to start on Thursday after difficulty adjustment. What's the likelihood of this taking place this week? We'll be breaking it down in today's show. Also, we'll be taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. As you can see, most of the major cryptos are in the red. All this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And to help celebrate the launch of our podcast, our sponsor, CMDX, the fastest growing health rewards cryptocurrency in the world, is giving away $25 worth of CMDX tokens absolutely free. For full details, click the link right below this video in the description. And before we dive right into these Bitcoin price predictions, just a quick reminder in case you missed TIWARI's live event, 12 seconds to $12,000, where he shares a quantitative trading system so accurate he took money out of crypto to commit to this. It combines rocket science with the 100x speed trading algorithm to guarantee you a shot to see $12,000 a month with the 12-second move. To catch the replay, click the link right below this video in the description. Welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into these BTC predictions, which are always hot topics, even more so when they're made by industry heavyweights and huge firms. They've been a few of them over the past few weeks, which I cover often here on the show, but let's break it all down. $150,000 Bitcoin prediction from Tom Lee, Fundstrat Global Advisors LLC. Tom Lee is still of the opinion that the crypto market is too small to support an exchange-traded fund. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has thwarted several attempts to get a crypto ETF launched. Speaking to Bloomberg, he added that big fund launches can have around $13 billion of first-year demand. For Bitcoin to be able to cope with this demand, he suggested it should be priced around $150,000. At the Block Show conference in Singapore on Friday, Lee said the SEC needs to punt the ETF until crypto becomes bigger, but demand for an ETF is monstrous. He added that they're doing a good job by protecting individuals, which is how mainstream will eventually get involved in crypto. He's quoted saying, "Institutions aren't going to touch crypto if they think the SEC isn't doing a good job. The $150,000 price valuation is not too sky high, and others are of the opinion that it could be even higher." Pantera Capital founder Dan Morehead has also been talking price predictions for Bitcoin. At the Unchained podcast earlier this year, he said that Bitcoin could reach $42,000 by the end of 2019, but looking at current performance, that appears very unlikely. A longer-term prediction could see Bitcoin at $356,000 by 2022. According to Morehead, here's what he said: "Graph the price of Bitcoin logarithmically. Its trend is going to grow at 235% compound annual growth rate. And if you just extrapolate that line out of another year, it's $122,000 per Bitcoin. And then one more year, $356,000. He added that transaction rates will also be greatly improved as the network evolves. When asked about an ETF, he said that it could take many years, echoing Lee's sentiment. CEO of Bitcoin wallet provider Zappo, Wences Cassars, hope I'm pronouncing that correct, made his own prediction earlier this year with the lofty call of $1 million in 7 to 10 years. This would be on the premise that Bitcoin succeeds as the financial experiment that started out a decade ago. He added that everyone should own some Bitcoin, and that premise could escalate prices into seven figures. There was the caveat that Bitcoin has a 20% chance of failure, but he also predicted a 50% chance of success and has done so for the past 10 years. Here's what he's quoted saying: "But after 10 years of working well without interruption, with more than 60 million holders, adding more than 1 million new holders per month, and moving more than $1 billion per day worldwide, it has a good chance of succeeding." Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And taking a look at the top cryptocurrencies, there's a sea of red. Very unfortunately, Bitcoin is down 1.86%, trading at $8,411. Ether down 1.94%, trading at $181.27. XRP down almost 3%, trading at below 26 cents. BNB coin down 2.63%, trading at $19.74. Miss Litecoin also down 3%, trading at $57.93. Link is down 3.6%, trading at $2.84. Leo down 0.25%, trading at 97 cents. And let's see what else. Bitcoin Cash down 2.5%, trading at $262. So as you can see, as Bitcoin takes a hit, so does the rest of the major altcoins. The total cryptocurrency market cap is currently $233 billion, with $60 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and the current Bitcoin dominance is 65.9%. And taking a look at the top gainers for the day, we got Fusion up a whopping 100%. How many of you took advantage of this pump? Let me know if you did in the comments. DX Chain token up 14%, currently trading at 0.001. Ilcoin up 8.8%, trading at 13.6 cents. Theta up 6%. Theta is up 6%, trading at just above 9 cents. Tezos is up 5%, trading at $1.22, and Silverway up 4.7%, trading at just above 89 cents. And now for the biggest losers in the past 24 hours, Bitcoin down 9.6%, trading at 0.0003, Verge down 8.2%, trading at 0.004, Cosmos down 6%, trading at $3.68, Zilliqua down 6.6%, trading at 0.006, Aurora down 6%, trading at 0.007, and Bytum down 5.7%, trading at just above 9 cents. And in other crypto news, a Bitcoin bull run to start on Thursday after difficulty adjustment. Let's talk about it. As you may recall, last week, Bitcoinist published an article regarding the analysis of Bitcoin difficulty adjustment by Plan B. The upshot of the analysis was that the previous 7% difficulty reduction could actually signal the start of a major bull run if followed by a significant increase. At the time of Plan B's analysis, a 4% increase in difficulty was predicted during the adjustment. However, by the time this article was published, it changed to an expected 0.8% fall. Well, the good news is that since the miners have been churning out blocks and now a 4% increase in difficulty is back on the cards again for this Thursday. Plan B, the champion of the stock to flow model for Bitcoin, is regularly featured here on Bitcoinist, and I commonly refer to him on this show. The model is one of the most accurate historical price prediction tools and gives a bullish longer-term forecast of $100,000 per Bitcoin price by 2021. Plan B first started to analyze difficulty adjustments following an alarmingly large reduction of 7% on November 7th. On further inspection, this turned out not to be as negative as initially seemed. Such drops have occurred several times, and when followed by a significant difficulty increase, has always indicated price gains ahead, with an expected gain of 4% due on November 21st. This is surely the hairbanger of good things to come, except that prediction came right at the start of a new difficulty epoch when a few quick blocks have a significant effect on expectations. When the predicted adjustment swung to 0.08%, the prospect of a bull run started to slip away. It was neither the significant gain we wanted nor another significant reduction following which we could hope for a gain. However, a week later, and the unexpected change is back around 4%. So according to the historical analysis, we should anticipate a bull run this Thursday. What are your thoughts? Do you think we will have a legitimate bull run occur by the end of this week? Let me know in the comments right down below. And checking out the current BitMEX margins, we can see the bears are currently in control with about 86 million in superiority in the past 24 hours. And I may remind you, 24 hours ago, the bulls were in control, but that's how fast the market can switch up. So currently, shorts are leading the way with 52.93% versus 47.0% longs. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin right now? Let me know in the comments right down below. And taking a look at the current crypto greed and fear index, you can see we're currently in fear with a 38. Yesterday was the same with a 38. Last week was a little higher with a 39. And last month was also a 39. And if you're not familiar with the crypto greed and fear index, here's the breakdown. Extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That could be a buying opportunity. Whereas when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for for a correction. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me through this crypto matrix. If you haven't done so already, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before I go, as a quick reminder, don't forget to register for the replay of TIWARI's live event sharing this quantitative trading system, which is currently producing TEEKA 84% wins, which is unheard of on the stock market. To check it out, click the link right below this video in the description. It's going to take you to this page. Scroll down, enter your best email to register now, and it will redirect you to this limited time replay. I don't know how long this is going to be up for, so take advantage of it if you want to check it out. And I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.